Hello musical friends, Miss Faith here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own wave drum. Some of the things you'll need is a foil pie tin that you can buy at any grocery store. Mine came in a pack of 3, so you can make multiples, or if you make a mistake, you can make another one. Optional, you can use a spare piece of paper. Doesn't matter if it's been printed on one side, you just need one side if you want to draw a scene on the inside of your wave drum, in which case you will also need scissors so that you can cut the shape of the circle. You'll also need something to put inside of the wave drum. Here I have rice, but you can use small beads or dry beans, anything that's going to move while you turn it around. And then I also have crayons here so that I can draw my scene, and you'll need tape to keep everything secure. So let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do if you decide that you want to have a scene is you're going to trace the inside of your tin. So you can probably just use the outside like that and cut it down. And now that I have my circle, I'm going to cut that so that I can put it on the inside. Perfect. Now I'm going to draw an ocean scene, like it's the bottom of the ocean. Now I forgot to mention you also need glue, so I'm going to go get some glue stick. Now I've got my scene and I'm ready to put my rice or my beads in there. Beads are fun because if you have colorful beads, you could use those, but I'm going to be using rice because it's what I had in my kitchen. Nice and easy. I'm using less than a 1/4 cup, just a little less. So here's a 1/4 cup and it's about right there, 9 tablespoons. Depends on the size of the bowl that you have. Then I'm going to take the lid and I'm going to place it on top. There you go. I'm going to secure it with some tape so that it doesn't accidentally come up. And there you have it. Now, let me show you how you can use it. So to make the sound of the ocean, you're going to start with all of your beads or your rice on one end, and then you're going to slowly tip it to one direction. slow. And you'll see that it sounds like waves in the ocean. Oh, that's fun. But this can also be lots of different things. It can also be a drum. It can also be a shaker. And it can also be a güiro. If you slide it along the ridges, works better on the bottom. Now you have a very versatile instrument. Cool. Have fun creating.